Hey guys, welcome back to OOW Outdoors. Today we're going to go over some Tacoma mods again. They've been kind of popular with the channel, so let's do that. This particularly applies to towing. Okay, so when you're towing with the Tacoma, the truck is going to sag real bad. What I mean by sag is the back end is actually going to be like, this is all stock, so back end will be like here when you're towing something like this, right? So when you're towing something like this, it's going to sag. But if you look at my truck, it's not sagging. So a lot of people are going to say, how'd you do that? Well, I'll show you. This is the Firestone airbag system. It's right there. You can see it. And I've put the air nozzle right here. So this is the one. This is the kit without the pump, and you have to manually pump it yourself. Both sides are teed together, and they come to one point. So you just gotta feed power or feed air power into this little air nipple. Little air nipple right here, and the truck's rear end goes up and down because the airbags can lift it up and down. So how I do that is I use, okay, so the cheapest thing I have found is you could either carry a bicycle pump in the truck, which is plenty, or you can get one of these. This is one of those Hyper Tough tools. It's a Walmart brand basically. I'll leave the links in the video description if you guys want something like this or something comparable from Amazon, because this is just a generic tool. Not a whole bunch of company makes it. So basically you put that on, and then you can turn this off, on and off, and then you can pick the PSI that you need. So I think on my truck 30 pounds is where the truck levels out. So let me show you guys how that works. We'll go from, gonna deflate it, see what happens. Alright, see how it sags like that? Doesn't look right. As you drive it, it actually sags a little bit more too. Just because it's sitting right now, that doesn't even mean it's at the lowest point. So I'm gonna show you guys how I pump it back up with the pump. So it's a real cheap pump, but let me just kind of install it. And it's a lithium charge. It's a lithium battery too, so charges pretty good. Turn it on. And so we put on 30 pounds, and all you gotta do is just push the button. It's currently on 38 pounds because I was trying to inflate some other tires, but 30 psi. Everybody see that? It's actually a little higher than the front. Alright, so basically how you install it, just plug it up. This is nothing new. I got this off the Tacoma forums. Okay, so I just pumped it, but as you can see, it's at 27 pounds. If you want to go back to 30, I've already got a program for 30. And just press the red button. That's it, 30 pounds. If you want to release the pressure, so you want to drop it, all you gotta do is cause an air leak. And you got it. So hope you guys like that. That was a big help for me. Not only does it provide the leveled riding, but it also provides a very stiff feel in the back, so when you're going over bumps and stuff, the truck doesn't feel like it's oscillating. It just goes doof, and it's done. So pretty happy with it. I've had it for about 6 months now, and you guys should too, especially if you tow something like this like every week. If you're towing something like that every week, you gotta have it. Just gotta have it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys like that type of stuff, like I said, this is a Tacoma video, but we use the truck a lot on our outdoor adventures. And check me out. Maybe you guys might like that stuff that I do. A lot of fishing, a lot of hunting, some general, outdoor stuff. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.